Hello everyone, I'm Patrick Alcober, and for today I'm gonna show you how to achieve a dewy fresh makeup look for a bride. So I'm gonna start with the cleansing milk. After the cleansing milk, I spray it with the Mist and Fix just to remove the excess milk on the face. We're gonna start putting now the moisturizer or the primer. So I'm using now the Ultra HD Skin Booster. It makes the skin soft and supple and it hydrates the skin. I'm going to use the Ultra HD Lip Booster just to keep her lips moisturized and plump. Moving on to foundation. I'm gonna use now two colors because I'm very fond of contouring, a lighter foundation and a dark foundation. On the cheekbone and then on the lower jawbone, here on the sides, going to the forehead, the lighter foundation. Blending it with the use of a flat brush. The reason why I'm swiping it like this, it's to evenly distribute the foundation onto the face. You can do it on a circular motion if you want. When you're achieving a dewy look, just use a very light layer of the powder. So let's move on with the eye makeup. I'm going to use a very light colored eyeshadow just to give her a very fresh effect on the eyes. I'm gonna use this mid-tone color on the brown side. I'm using an angled eyeshadow brush. The shape of this, it really goes onto the shape of the eye. I'm going to use an iridescent brown eyeshadow. Blend it also where you put the base. So we go now with the eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the Aqua XL eyeliner waterproof. So make sure that there's no gaps on the lash line while you're doing the eyeliner, and then we're gonna put false eyelashes on top of it to make the eyes more open. I love these lashes. So let's finish the eye look with the under eye. So we'll put color on the waterline. We go now to the eyebrows. So we'll brush first the hair of the eyebrows so we can see the hair strands if it's going upward or downwards. So I'm using small strokes to fill in the eyebrows. So in choosing the right color of the eyebrows, you can match it probably with the hair color or the color of the eyes. So we go now with the lips. And I'm gonna use first the lip liner just to shape the outer corner of her lips. It's nice that we use the lip liner first to base the lips. I'm going to use on her the Liquid Matte Lipstick Shade 103. Liquid Matte Lipstick is very creamy and not drying on the lips. We're just gonna have to clean again and set it again. So I'm using this color to contour on the hollow part of her cheekbone. And then the main blush on the apple of the cheeks and going upwards. And then lastly is the highlighter. So we're gonna use this one here on the cheekbone. And then for finishing touches, if you feel like you wanna retouch again with the powder, feel free. And that's how you achieve my signature bridal look. Thank you for watching.